Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some almond croissants. This recipe is so delicious you wouldn't even believe it. A lot of people think it's so hard to make, but believe me, it doesn't require a lot of an effort. So let me show you what's the ingredients.
The ingredients we need is some sugar, unsalted butter, water, almond flour, cornstarch, vanilla, eggs, powdered sugar, almond flour, slithered almonds, and last 1 to 3 days old butter croissants. So the first step is we're going to do the almond syrup. We're going to put the water, almond flour, and sugar and bring to a boil and set aside to cool completely. The second step is in a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to put the almond flour, powdered sugar, and cornstarch, and we're going to whisk it to get rid of any lumps. Once there's no lumps and everything is well combined, we're going to add the eggs, vanilla, and unsalted butter and mix well and set aside. The third step is we're going to cut the croissants in half and place them on a baking pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. The fourth step is we're going to soak the croissants from the inside in the almond syrup for no more than 1 to 2 seconds. The fifth step is we're going to scoop the almond filling that we made earlier on one side only. This step is all about preference on how much you want to fill your croissants. Then we're going to close the croissants and add a little bit of the almond filling on the top and spread it out. Then we're going to add the slithered almonds. I recommend you guys put a lot because it's so delicious. And then we're going to dust it with powdered sugar. And then we'll place it in a preheated oven to 15 to 20 minutes. You'll find the recipe in the description box down below. Once the almond croissants are done baking, we'll remove it from the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna dust it with powdered sugar. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below.